Hey friends, Ashley here, and today we are, just deep cleaning my area rug. I'm very excited because this is my first time actually owning a carpet cleaner, and I got this at Walmart on sale for $99, so try and get that sale before it ends. I did do a Walmart pick-me-up, but yeah, like I said, this is my first time owning one, so today we will be cleaning my area rug and my ottoman. As you will see in a few minutes after I show you an overview of this box of the carpet cleaner, you will see how nasty everything kind of is. But if you are new here, I share this channel with my twin sister Courtney. She cleans her house also on this channel, so you get two houses on one, double the fun. So yeah, if you are new here, we would love it if you would subscribe, as it does help our channel. And also guys, in general, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. But I am going to let you enjoy this overview really quick, and let's get started. So if you want to catch this deal, all you have to do is download the Walmart app and scan that barcode that you just seen on the screen, and it will send you directly to this carpet cleaner. So what I'm going to be doing now is basically doing an unboxing of this carpet cleaner and show you everything that came inside. So the first thing that I'm noticing is it has the handle brush with the tube that goes for the handle brush that connects to the vacuum itself, which goes to the front piece of it. I do show you how everything attaches and assembles. Now that's on, I flipped it to see what the green button does, and then that's where you would push to get the solution to come out of the handle and onto the area you're trying to scrub. And this part of the hose is what attaches to the vacuum cleaner. It's pretty cool because they actually gave you a bag that holds the hose part to the vacuum cleaner, so you can store it and hook it up somewhere. So basically, now that everything is out of the box, I'm going to make sure everything looks good and ready to go, and kind of examine it so I can understand this machine a little bit better. It did come with a little bottle of cleaning solution to put inside of the top piece where the water and the solution go, and then the bottom piece is where all the nastiness gets sucked into. So basically, you're not like mixing the clean solution water with the dirty water, if that makes any sense. So yeah, and we're gonna get started just soon on cleaning the area rug and this ottoman. so this is going to be my first time using this bad boy. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see this. So from my understanding, you go forward for wet and backwards for it to dry it, and you do that 4 times. So 1 pass up, 1 pass down, 1 pass up, and 1 pass down. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy, guys. And you pull the trigger to let the water out, and you let go of the trigger when you pull the vacuum back. Now everybody can thank Courtney, my camera woman, for getting these awesome, amazing shots for you guys to see. But oh my god, look at how satisfying that is. But make sure you guys comment down below and say thanks, Court, for the the camera views. Wow, look, it's sucking it right into there. So that's obviously where the dirty water goes into. So like I said, you don't cross-contaminate basically. So the clean water's up top, the dirty water's on bottom. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm clearly in love with this vacuum cleaner. After I'm done with this area rug, we'll be cleaning the Ottoman really quickly, and that will wrap up this video. Please let me know down below, how do you guys feel about this vacuum and if you would purchase it. I'm also going to put the barcode up again, so make sure you download the app so that way you guys can get this on sale for $99. So yeah, keep watching. I still got a little bit more to clean. Now I'm moving on to the handle part of the vacuum. So what you do is you pull that down and then you would shove that in there. It was kind of hard for me to do because I am filming with my other hand, but yeah, you would basically it has a good seal to it, so you kind of have to like jam it in there a little bit. And then we will be moving on to cleaning the Ottoman, which is my favorite part. And if you're wondering what is on my Ottoman, it is yogurt that's been there for a few months. Yes, I have tried to clean it. No, it obviously did not come out, but watch the end result on this Ottoman, guys. This is the true test right here. I can't find, don't let the sun go down. So we are finally done, guys. Look at that. I feel that that was worse than my carpet, as nasty as that sounds. But you know what it is the dog, does go up there when I don't have anything up there. But look at that. Everything's so clean again. Oh, by the way, this carpet, I put it down maybe less than a month ago. And my couches, I got a few years ago, and they were never actually cleaned by a vacuum cleaner. I would just take a rag and hot water and wipe it down. But wow, look at that, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below of this vacuum cleaner. Like I said, I'm going to add the what is that called, the barcode, so you guys can scan it on your Walmart app, and I'm gonna let you enjoy this overview. Thank you again for choosing to watch my video, guys. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you give it a thumbs up. See you again. Bye, guys.